Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've teamed up with Neutrogena to show you this Halloween makeup look and also how I use their all-in-one makeup removing cleansing wipes to remove a full face of Halloween glam. The latest addition to the Neutrogena wipe line are these Deep Clean Purifying Micellar Cleansing Wipes. They are 3-in-1. They remove makeup, cleanse, and purify, and they target 100% of impurities in the skin. Both these wipes are available at Shoppers Drug Mart locations nationwide across Canada, so if you're keen to pick them up, you can pick them up there. And without further ado, I am so excited to be sharing with you guys my Ice Queen makeup look. So I hope you guys really enjoy this look, find it useful, and let's get into my Ice Queen makeup look. For this look specifically, I'm doing eyes first. I don't want to risk messing up the complexion. So to start off, I'm using this Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Freebase. It's just a white base, and this is going to prime our lids, help the colors pop, and since we're doing an icy Ice Queen look, it's the perfect thing to start off our look. We're going to be bringing this out quite far as well, just because we're going to be winging out our look with the shadow. You can also bring this under the eye if you like. We're gonna look a little bit crazy for a while, but trust me, it's gonna come together. I was wearing a similar eye look when I went to the Aqua concert, and a bunch of you really wanted to see it. So this is basically that look for the eyes. I thought it'd be perfect for this. So I'm gonna be using those blue shades. I'm starting off with the top shade in the blue row. It looks white, but it has this beautiful icy blue off-white color to it, and it's perfect for this look. Going in with the lighter blue shade, we're going to work this through the crease, wing it out slightly, and we just want a light wash of this color. Next, going to the darker blue in the palette, I'm just going to work that lightly into the lower crease just to get a little bit of depth, but I'm quite happy with the color so far. Now for the lid, we're gonna add some reflect to it. Just going to start off with a little bit of mixing medium eyeliner. This is just going to help the reflect stick to my eye. And then I'm going to take the Reflex Pearl. And before it fully dries, I'm just gonna take a little bit of that on the brush and stamp it on my eye. Taking a little bit more of that darker blue shade, just going to put a little in the outer corner just to tie the corner together and add that depth there. Now I'm just going to take a light coat of mascara. I'm just going to pop on an old pair of lashes. I don't mind getting glitter or any kind of Halloween type makeup on. So we do have some glitter fallout on the face. I'm just gonna take one of my Neutrogena all-in-one makeup removing cleansing wipes. I'm just going to clean off my face prior to doing my complexion. And then I can shape the angle of the eye. If you just put your nail in there, you can get a nice sharp angle. So I'm looking pretty crazy right now. I want to finish off the rest of my eyes, my under eye area, but I do want to even out my complexion. And I'm going to be using my lightest foundation, and I'm going to just take a little bit of my MAC Face and Body in white, just to lighten it up ever so slightly, because I do want to have that full coverage, but I do want it to be much lighter. Now, since I didn't go pure white for my face, I can go ahead and highlight and conceal like I typically would with a white concealer. This is just going to help bring a little bit of dimension back to the face. That's already done a fantastic job. Compared to this side, this looks like a sick queen. We want to look like an alive Ice Queen. And I'm not worried about getting product in my hair. It kind of adds to the effect. If you're using your natural hair, I will be putting on a wig. I'm also going to be wearing a big necklace. I'm not too concerned about bringing it down my neck. Plus, I don't want to disappear too much into the screen. The beauty of this, the teeth look yellow. No smiling. I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face with the RCMA No Color Powder. We have a lot of makeup on. Those wipes are gonna be tested, let me tell you. Now that we are fully set, I'm gonna bring some dimension back to my face after. I'm just gonna go ahead and do a little bit with my eyebrows. I'm going to be using this brow pencil in taupe. It's the most cool tone color I have, and I think it will work for this look. So I'm just gonna lightly fill it in just to add some shape. Just going back to my palette, I'm gonna use the gray and a little bit of the blue once I put down the gray and see, just to shape my face. For Halloween, I always like to use products I already have on hand just to do a look. I don't like going out and buying all this crazy makeup. I just kind of make what I have work. And those are the kind of Halloween looks that I like to do. I'm sure some of you are the same way as me. Just kind of utilize what we have. You can still create some really nice looks. It's getting lost in my face, so I'm just bringing some color back. Just baking my nose like I normally would. Add a little bit of blue. I like how the gray is looking. But if this is Halloween, let's get some color. Love that better. We're gonna finish off the lower lash line. Then for our waterline, I'm using another blue color. You can use white too. I just really wanted to do blue for the eyes. If you have a blue mascara, that would look really cool, but I'm just going to use black. Just a little bit. Now for the fun part, adding some glow to the skin. I thought this would be perfect for the look. This is beautiful icy highlight. And then for lips, I'm using the Fenty Diamond Milk, which I thought would be really pretty. Just over top of the foundation, so it just looks like a glaze. Then for the inner corner of the eye, I want a nice pop of white in there. And I love this white shade, so I'm just gonna get a small brush and then pop some of that in the inner corner. That's perfect. I'm gonna actually add a little bit of this to the cheeks too. A lot. This is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I had so much fun creating this. As I said, I've wanted to do this since last year, but my wig came in late, so I wasn't able to film this last year, so I knew right away what I wanted to do for Halloween, and it was be an ice queen. I'm so happy with how it turned out. It's really easy to do. I only utilized the products that I already had on hand. I didn't have to go out and buy anything extra. Now for the part to test out my favorite wipes, which are the Neutrogena All-in-One Makeup Removing Cleansing Wipes. We're gonna be using one of these wipes to remove all this makeup. As you can see, one wipe completely removed all traces of makeup, even my waterproof eyeliner, that blue, and I had layers upon layers of foundation on my skin, and it removed all of that with just one wipe. And it also feels still a little bit moist, so it could still remove some excess makeup, like on my hand. Let's just remove that right now. These are great wipes. They pass the Halloween test. I've been using them for years and years, as I said. I think you guys are gonna really love them. If you haven't checked them out yet, go to your local Shoppers Drug Mart. They're available nationwide across Canada. And that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section below what you're going to be for Halloween, and I will see you guys in my next video.